Next up, we're going to do a Oaxacan Old Fashioned, which is a Phil Ward cocktail from Death and Company. A drink he made up before he went ahead and opened Maya Well, which was that really important bar in New York that kind of paved the way for mezcalerias to open all over the country. I believe that's opened in '09. It has since closed, but its legacy remains with us. There's no even mid-sized town in America, I don't think, that doesn't have an agave spirit-focused establishment. So this is an old-fashioned, so it's basically 2 ounces of a base spirit with some sweetener and some bitters, right? We know how that works. So for us, we're going to do a couple of ounces of Angostura. Now, dashes. I meant 2 dashes of Angostura, not 2 ounces. Now, I always thought you made this with a chocolate or a mole bitters, but everywhere I look online it says Angostura. So we're going to sneak just a little cocoa nib tincture in the back end of this to make up for that, because we do like a little chocolate with our agave, and 1/4 ounce of agave nectar, 1/2 ounce of mezcal, and 3/4 ounce of tequila. Now, clearly you can kind of see the vintage of this cocktail in the recipe, right? There's 3/4 of the base spirit, or 1.5 ounces of the base spirit, is tequila, a flavor profile that Americans were more used to. And just 1/2 ounce of it was this kind of smokier idea of what agave spirits could be, this more rustic idea that was mezcal. Now, you probably came up with this drink in the mid 2000s. So by 2020 here, plenty of people are full-blown lovers of all things mezcal. So if you were going to make a mezcal old fashioned today, you would probably make it with all mezcal. But this is the Oaxacan old fashioned, and I think it's a really nice gateway. It's a delicious drink in its own right, but it's also a good gateway to what these drinks can be. I'm just going to pour this straight in, actually. Cubes, couple of spins. A lot more subtle than you might expect if you're a mezcal lover, but if you are a mezcal lover and someone you know hasn't yet arrived at loving mezcal, maybe this is a great gateway. I'm gonna cut a little coin out of this. Right across, not down in. Smells perfect. The Oaxacan Old Fashioned.